Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Mohamed Anwar. Today I'm going to share with you a lesson about how to use adverbs. An adverb is a word that adds information to a verb, adjective, phrase, or another adverb. So let's see together some adjectives and we are going to change them to adverbs. Okay? So anxious becomes anxiously. Serious becomes seriously. Happy becomes happily. Pessimistic becomes pessimistically. Sudden becomes sadly. Colorful becomes colorfully. Honest becomes honestly. Moody becomes moodily. Optimistic becomes optimistically. Useful becomes usefully. Busy becomes busily. So have a look at the end of each adverb. You see that each adverb ends with ly. Okay, so let's see the uses of adverbs. Look at these examples. Seriously, I'm seriously happy. Busily, the word becomes busily. Optimistically, Jamal thinks optimistically. So this the adverbs after the verbs. Let's see other examples. Ahmed suddenly stopped talking when Sophia entered the room. Jamal happily expresses his feelings. So these are adverbs after subject. Let's see some adverbs like to and very. She speaks too quickly. It's too early for me to get up. I love you too. So let's see some examples about the adverb very. You are very pretty. She is very pretty. He is very smart. He is very smart. That's very funny. So try as much as you can to practice by giving examples and by using adverbs. Thank you for watching this video about how to use adverbs.